Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love swinging and I love being outside with my kids, and it will provide lots of fun this summer. So the great thing about this swing set is it has a 500-pound limit. So you have 3 swings, and even 2 grown adults and the kids could swing on here easily, and you would be fine. It could support all of you. It was super easy to put together. It took me less than an hour to do it all by myself. It's literally just a bunch of bolts and putting bars into each other. Super easy, but super strong. It comes with all of the tools that you need. It also comes with super long anchors that are easy to put into the ground so that your swing doesn't flip up and down when your kids are swinging on it. It comes with 2 regular swings and this really cool disc swing that especially my 9-year-old loves to swing on. The regular swings have this really nice string attached to it that does not hurt your hands at all. If you do want to switch any of your swings around, they're super easy to switch out with. If you're looking for a really fun swing set for your kids, this one is really nice, really durable, really strong, and easy to put together. What more can you ask for? And that is our point of view.